Okay, this is a real quick announcement. I'm not going to do any crafts. In fact, you still see my stuff out here from the last craft I did with the fairy bottles. Pixie dust bottles, I guess is what we're going to call them. But what I'm going to do, since I'm so new and I'm impatient, I want things to go a little faster, I'm going to do some giveaways. When I reach 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers, then we're going to jump to 500 and 1,000. When I get to those marks on my subscribers, everybody who's already subscribed will be put into a hat. Their names will be put into a hat, or I'll roll a die on the computer, like a 50-sided die, and whatever number comes up, the person who subscribed at that number will get one of my crafts mailed out to them. And I'll make an announcement so that that person can give me their email address, and then that way I can get their address and everything and send out a prize. It'll be one of the crafts that I've done in my previous videos up until my 50th subscriber. So any of the crafts up to my 50th subscriber, you have the potential to win. Then any of the crafts from 50 to 100 video, the videos that I make between the 50th subscriber and the 100th video, you'll get a chance to win one of those crafts. And then so on and so forth. I think maybe for the 500 and the 1,000, I'll let those two winners choose what craft. Like, even if I've already given one away, I can remake one, and they can have one made personally for them out of any of the crafts that I've done up until those subscriptions numbers. So, subscribe away, share around, because the sooner we get to 50, 100, 500, and 1,000, the sooner somebody can win a prize. Thanks, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.